Kids, if you'll huff and puff, maybe we can put the fire out. Who's enjoying Texas Thunder so far? Yeah! Here he comes. One of the most dangerous tractors out there. We're burning off some fuel. How about it? Texas Thunder, the Peanut Growers Association, the P-51 Mustang.
Right.
He said, "You're not loud enough, Austin, Texas. I'm fixing to burn $200 worth of fuel." Who's ready for Texas Thunder? Let's get loud. Here he comes, Brady Morrow. He said, "That's going to be good enough. I got my gloves on. It's fixing to get hot in here." There's no reason for a furnace when you got Texas Thunder.